Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make pesto pasta from a jar. First, bring a pot of salted water to a rolling boil. Add about 8 ounces of your preferred pasta, like spaghetti or penne, and cook it according to the package directions until it's perfectly al dente. Before draining, remember to scoop out about 1/4 cup of that starchy pasta water. It's a secret ingredient for a creamy sauce. Then, drain your pasta well. Now, let's get that delicious pesto ready. Grab a large skillet and pour in about 6 ounces of your favorite jarred pesto. Heat it gently over low heat, just enough to warm it through, but don't let it simmer or boil. This helps release its aromatic flavors. Stir in about 2 tablespoons of that reserved pasta water. It will help create a smoother, more cohesive sauce that clings beautifully to the pasta. It's time to bring everything together. Carefully transfer your drained pasta directly into the skillet with the warmed pesto. Using tongs or a large spoon, toss the pasta thoroughly, ensuring every single strand is beautifully coated in that vibrant green sauce. If the sauce seems a little too thick, you can add another splash of pasta water. Serve it up right away, perhaps with a sprinkle of fresh Parmesan cheese. This simple pesto pasta is fantastic on its own, but it's also incredibly versatile. Feel free to add some cherry tomatoes, grilled chicken, or fresh spinach for extra flavor and nutrition. You can also adjust the amount of pesto to your liking. 6 to 8 ounces usually works well for a standard serving. For those who love meal prepping, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, homemade pesto pasta.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.